Hi, I'm Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2026 310 SLX by Sea Ray. Come aboard and I'll show you around. Welcome aboard. Starting here at the transom, you'll find an enormous sun pad. It actually has two flip-up backrests to make things a little more comfortable. You have easy access to your remote for the stereo. There's also an old school cigarette lighter adapter, so you filling up your tubes and water sports toys makes it nice and simple. Stepping into the boat underneath this first hatch is a built-in cooler, and here is easy access to turn on your engine and your house batteries as you're entering and exiting the boat, as well as a nice freshwater wash down handheld sprayer to wash the salt off. Come on into the cockpit. As you'll see, this boat is outfitted with teak decks throughout the cockpit all the way to the bow of the boat. You have banquette seating here. A teak top table will drop in right here. It's stored down below. And this boat does have the aft sunshade. It's an electric aft sunshade. Here at the summer kitchen, we have a little ice bin, a little storage box, maybe additional ice, put your condiments down in there, and a sink. Furthermore, you have a refrigerator located right down here and trash access right in here. It's nice and convenient to have a dedicated trash storage on a boat like this. This boat is outfitted with the upgraded sound system, which means they upgraded all the speakers, added an additional amp and a kicker. The sound is amazing. Additionally, we have a manual opening sunroof. And moving up to the bow, up to the helm, we have a double helm seat here, twin Simrad displays. These are GPS, your fish finder, a lot of switching. You can check out your fuel system or your fuel flow, gallons per hour, what have you. Quick hot buttons here on the dash. There's your Fusion Bluetooth stereo system. This boat is outfitted with the joystick system with Skyhook. To the port side, you'll see the passenger seat can actually rotate so you can join the party once you're at anchor. You'll find a nicely appointed head, which is important on a 31-foot day boat. And I say nicely appointed because it has an upgraded finish package. This is an electric vacuum flush toilet. There is a sink. And this can also double for additional storage. Welcome to the bow of the 310 SLX. As you'll see, there's no lack of storage under all these seats. Down underneath the helm, plenty of storage space. And under one of these, we actually store the teak bow table, which can be installed on the port or the starboard side. Plenty of banquette seating, fold down armrests, two additional speakers up front here. You also have the electric automatic windlass that can be controlled right up here or at the helm, and another wash down to either get sand off the anchor or just to spray yourself down on a hot day. So I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of this 310 SLX. My name's Mark DiMatteo, MarineMax Norwalk, Connecticut. Give me a call. Let's get you out on the water.